come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back.
Welcome to the Countdown Quickie, where I give you a trending topic in a jiffy. And I know what you might be saying yet again. Where is Duttyberry? But people, from the other day, I don't know why Berry decided that he's just not going to show up in studio. And of course, if he is not here, somebody has to take over. And Dandra has decided to take over. So without further ado, let's just get into today's topics. PNP's new addition. Now, recently, the People's National Party shared a media statement which stated that they are pleased to announce the appointment of Dr. Haughten as the Shadow Minister for Commerce, Technology and Innovation. This appointment was made by the PNP president and the leader of the opposition, Mark Golding, as a part of the party's ongoing commitment to promoting economic growth, technological advancement and innovation in Jamaica. And for those of you who don't know who Dr. Haughten is actually a senior lecturer at the University of the West Indies, coming from the Department of Economics. And what's also good to note about Mr. Haughten is that he is no stranger to the People's National Party. In fact, he has been the PNP's caretaker for St. James West Central constituency since January 2019. And has also served as a member of the upper house. And so really and truly, when I saw this media release, I was absolutely grateful and I was happy to see that the People's National Party is moving forward. Because, you know, between me and Uno, me could talk the truth, no? From the other day, Uno realized it's like, you know, me was like the PNP kind of fall back a little. We'll just be honest. It's like the unity has not been there as much. And so when I saw that, you know, Dr. Haughten came on, I was really happy to see it. In fact, Dr. Haughten is replacing the Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Northern Western, Hugh Graham, who filled the same position but resigned back in April. I believe that Auntie Portia is so proud right now. In fact, PNP did not hesitate to mention that Dr. Haughten is more than qualified for the job, because in that same media statement, they went on to say that the People's National Party expresses the utmost confidence in Dr. Andre Haughten's abilities and leadership as he takes on his critical role. We are certain that his dedication, intellect, and commitment to progress will greatly benefit not only the party, but also the Jamaican people as a whole. Says like the People National Party say, hello, we are get we thing together and we not get the little plaka for come power team. We get smart, intelligent people who are more than qualified for the job. So people, let me know, is this a good step for the People's National Party? Do you think they made the right decision by bringing Dr. Haughten on board? Sound off below. Broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your. Listen up, Burritos, I'm sorry, but I just had to sing that song heading into the next topic, because it has recently been released that Christopher Birch and Konshens' collaboration, Bruck Off Your Back, has been certified silver in the UK with sales exceeding 200,000 units. Come on, man. Let us give the artist a round of applause. Wow, this is absolutely phenomenal. And just in case you don't know what it means when they say that the sales have exceeded 200,000 units, that pretty much means that the music recording has been shipped, sold or streamed over 200,000 times. Wow. This is absolutely beautiful. Konshens has literally placed Jamaica on the map, and for that we are really proud. Me nah lie, man, it look like Konshens broke off him toe, in hand and in foot into this song, because that must be the reason why this song gone so far. Now listen, I'm not sure if there's anyone at the Burritos right now listening to this who is probably in the music industry or who has probably experienced what it's like to market your song and get it out there. But 200,000 units is no easy road. It's no easy street to even get somebody to purchase your album. It's a lot of work. And to see that Konshens has placed Jamaica on the map, it's absolutely lovely. And guess what, Berry does? It don't stop there. Because I'm not sure if you're aware of this song. Hey, Mr. Policeman, down to the floor. Listen, I am not a singer. I'm not sure if that's the way it goes. However, Konshens has also earned gold certification in Belgium and Germany, as well as a platinum certification in the Netherlands for his 2015 single Policeman. Berry does, let us just right about now just drop all sort of clapping, congratulatory comments within the caption, because this is such a feel-good story, right? This song was highly successful, topping the charts in Suriname, Israel, and Belgium. It also appeared in charts in Austria, France, the Netherlands, and Germany. No man, Jamaicans, we are big deals. We are not small fries or side order. We are a big deal. We are the icon and we are the moment. It is always so amazing to see when Jamaica is on the map internationally, when our talents are out there for other people to see, for other people to come, possibly even invest into the country. This is a big step for the entertainment industry in Jamaica, and I am 100% so immensely proud of Konshens. Burritos, sound off in the comment section below. Let me know what you think this can do for Jamaica's entertainment industry, and also let me know, do you have any idea as to what it might be like to achieve sales exceeding 200,000 units? If you have ever produced any sort of music or have an idea of what that might be like, sound off below. No man, It's like today's social media countdown Quickie just fill up with all sort of good news. And trust me, I am not complaining. That is it for today's countdown Quickie. I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments down below. So don't forget to leave a little comment, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. My goodness. Hopefully Berry decides to come to work one of these days.
Brock off your back, brock off your back, brock off your, brock off your, brock off your back. You know you got the glue, you know you got the glue, you know you got the glue. Come brock off your back, brock off your back, brock off your, brock off your, brock off your back. Who you are on with? On a game. Anytime you're ready, girl. On the name. I make you get a wet line. And you don't make you feel high. You say you're so love the art. Baseline sweet and that touch is fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, put the jack on while till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. And you know you got the glue. Level. Know you got the glue. Colombia, I love you. Enjoy your night. What is your feel like? What is your feel like? I wanna feel the ocean. You know the way you live.